The installation of Sopocar's electric tailgate system for Toyota Rav4 2020 Plus. The first step is to pry the spring with a screwdriver. Remove the original struts on both sides. Then remove the original brackets on both sides. Install our bracket. With the arrow facing up, note the left L and right R. Install the left and right electric struts. Install the struts with the wire end up. The second step is to remove the tailgate trim panel. First, unscrew the screws, and then remove the trim panel. The third step is to install our electric suction lock. Remove the original lock and fix our electric lock. Plug the original lock into our lock. Pair white 8-hole plug with our suction lock. The rope is the emergency device of the lock. For 3-hole insert, clip our green wire for handle to this purple wire. For 5-hole insert, clip our green wire for handle to this purple wire. Remove the waterproof rubber stopper. Organize both to side struts. And the main wire like this. Organize the main wire step by step as the video. Take off the buckle. Break apart the top decor plate. Continue organize the main wire. Remove the left decor plate. Negative wire connect to here. Fix it. Remove the rubber on the front and rear door. Positive power taking wire enters from this way. Then take the wire from rear door to the driving seat. And recover the rubber. Restore the ceiling panel. Take power. Remove these two plates first. Find the fuse box under the driving seat. And find the normal power. Take out the original 20A fuse and connect to the power wire. Then put the power wire into the fuse box. Please make the wire upper. Install the front button. Install our front button on the original hole in car. Connect the ground line to the steel of car. Recover the decor plate. Disassemble the B pillar of the car. Find the green wire in the white connector, and connect to our white unlocking signal wire for B pillar. Tidy up the wires. Plug all the wires into ECU in order. Fix the ECU here. Tidy up the wires. Put the special handle into the car, drilling hole and install it into the car tailgate. Recover the decor plate after connecting the wires. Recover all at last. All done.